Have a look at these idiots having a Mexican standoff.
Guess I got my budget back. Guess I got my budget back. Guess I got my budget back. Budget back. Budget back.
This review is for the A.P.S. M4 ADASAURUS blowback. This gun is full metal. Let's start from the back of the gun. So to put the battery in, you need to peel off that, and then the wire is in here. So you plug it in and you slide it down the stock. And then just to put it back on, you just push the wire back in, like that. Put it back on. This is a 6-position A.P.S. stock. Pistol grip, it's plastic. Here we have the sling attachment points at the back. This is the charging handle. Trigger. To get to the hop up, you need to pull the charging handle back and then push down the bolt catch, and then it will stay open, and then this hop in there is a wheel, so you push it forwards and backwards, and then to close the bolt, what you need to do is press that. The magazine. The magazine that comes with the gun is a 300 round high cap. This one's been painted, it'd be black when you get it. The magazine release is there. This would normally have 2 slats on it, but it's been taken off to be replaced with this ACOG scope. The flash hider on this thing is a bit of a bad looking thing. The barrel is metal. The handguard is metal. The stock and the pistol grip is nylon fibre. This is a version 2 gearbox. The length for this gun is 700mm and 780mm. In the package you will get a 7.4 volt 110 milliamp battery. The gun itself, magazine, manual, and the weight of this is 2,930 grams. It's that much weight because it's full metal, except for them two, like I said. The price for this is $203. The trades on it are quite nice, and also they have all the markings on the rails at the front, all the way on it. The selector switch is on the left hand side of the gun. Safe, semi and full.
God. So you get motherfucker.
Let's take it to the range and see how it does. Alright, tell me when you're ready, Ash. the A.P.S. ADASAURUS got 8.5, and I'll get my little companion to put it up there because he's been dying to be on my channel. Thank you. Let's get El to chrono this. If you like what you saw, subscribe for more.
Guess I got my badge back. Badge back.
That's a write-up!
The A.P.S. What's it called? The ASAURUS.
ADASAURUS. ADASAURUS Rex.
Velociraptor!
I'd say the A.P.S. Velociraptor. No, it's ADASAURUS.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
ADASAURUS. Advertisement.